Hey guys, in this video I got this massive package right here. Wow, for the first time ever in this channel I bought a broken desktop. So but anyway, here's the listing of it. It looks a core 2 dual laptop. I mean, a core 2 dual desktop. Wait, why can't I resize? Well, I bugged out. But yeah, here's the listing. Yeah, apparently, it doesn't work, and that's all I know about it. It looks a Optiplex 780. Wow, it's not really that powerful, but for 20 ringgit, what did I honestly expect? So let's unbox it and see if I can get it working again. Wow, here's the desktop itself. Let me take my phone off the tripod. Oh, I guess you're right. It's an Optiplex 780 with a Core 2 Dual. I mean, the condition is surprisingly not too bad. Oh no, there's a massive dent. So yeah, let's check out inside. Actually, how do I open this out? It's like that. Not too sure. Oh, yup, it is. Now I can lift this up. Oh wow, that's a heavy side panel. Here's the inside. There's a floppy drive connector for some reason, and the speaker, it's kind of laying right there. And we got some RAM. Apparently, wait. Oh, I think it's a 2 GB stick. Yep. And there should be no hard drive as expected. Yeah, there's no hard drive inside. But yeah, let's see if it even works. Alright, all plugged in. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, white light. I mean orange light. I hear fan. Let's see if it works. I think. Drive is jammed. Oh, I think it's ever quite. Not sure. Oh, I think it works. Let's hook up to a monitor and see. Alright, all hooked up. Hopefully I don't cause enough power outage. Oh. Nope. No display. Oh, it does well. Yeah, it does well. Let's just oh great, my hard drive's dying. But anyway, let's hook my keyboard out. Alright, there. Now I can explore now. I think it needs a restart. Oh, never mind. So 2 GB of DDR3 and a Core 2 Duo. Not bad, I guess. No hard drive as expected. Yeah, I mean it's not too bad. Just needs a new hard drive, I think. Alright, so here's the progress right now. Downloading Windows 10. Well, because my computer isn't usable right now, well, I'm copying files off my failing hard drive. So yeah, that's that. And I have to fix the broken broken back with super glue. So, and this tube, I think this one has dried out. So I think we can install it now. So yeah, let's do that real quick. Wait, I need 2 hands. Oh yeah, that's nice and secure. Yeah, there we go. It's still quite loose for some reason, but I think that's the best I can do. So yeah, let's just wait for this to download and then we'll install Windows after that. Let's swap the thermal paste one and add it. Oh yeah, there we go. That's some crusty thermal paste. Oh boy, it needs a clean. Look at that. There's our CPU. And here's our fan that gets a heat out. I mean, not too dirty since I dusted out. But yeah, let's just change it. That's some crusty thermal paste. Yeah, good enough. I mean, it's still pretty wet actually. I'm surprised. Now let's clean the cooler. There we go. Now I can clean the rest of it. There we go. Nice and shiny. Look at my web wipes. How they even get the more paste? Oh my nail. Let's also swap out a CMOS battery. That's not even the correct size. Come on, get it out. Then now I can unbox this real quick. Come on, I hate this packaging. Oh, there we go. We actually don't wonder why it doesn't work. The damn thing broke off. Oh, for real. I think it should be fine without it. Hopefully. But yeah, let's just. Oh, it's already done. Well, let me create the pen drive real quick and then we'll install Windows on it. Alright, it's all done. So let's plug it in and see what happens. There we go. Oh. Alright, boot device. USB device. Come on. Why is it lagging? The system battery voltage is slow. Wait, why? Continue. Well, let's wait for Windows to boot out. Well, I don't think it's booting to Windows. So let's try and restart it. Alright, so it's been a few days. Yeah, look at that. It's literally 4 AM. March 29th. But yeah, I got it all fixed up. Drive opens properly now. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. It opens properly now. And also I did upgrade to 4 GB of RAM, as you can see right here. Yeah. And yeah, I just sold this desktop, so this is probably the last time I'm going to see this desktop, hopefully. But yeah, I guess this is it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.